another episode of Glue and Make. My name is Firefighter Paul and I'm on call. So if you hear the bells or my alerter goes off, I've got to skedaddle because I've got a fire call. So what are we going to make on Glue and Make today? We're going to make this fantastic puppet crab. So what are we going to need to make this fantastic crab? First off, you're going to need a garden stick or a cane. Then you're going to need some paper plates. You're going to need a black marker pen, a pencil, some scissors, but remember scissors can be sharp, so always ask an adult to help you, a paintbrush, and some paint. And of course it wouldn't be Glue and Make without the glue! Let's get on with the make! Hope you've enjoyed making this crab. Why not take it down to the beach and you can play some tricks on people? If you go down to the beach, never dive into the ocean, look out for the flags, stay together and remember protect everyone from the sun. You can find more information about beach safety and stories about the beach if you go to dwfire.org.uk, and you can find loads of different things, including, remember, the C19 mini superheroes. That's all we've got time for on Glue and Make today. If you do go to the beach, remember to drink lots of water and don't forget to take the crab. See you later. Bye-bye.